Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're going to do again the technique we use, vinyl adhesive. We're going to do a silhouette of a face, of the side of the face of a woman. I think it's going to be interesting because beforehand I did put black on my canvas, and then I will put my vinyl side face, if you want, on the canvas. I'm going to glue it to it, and then we're going to do a pour over it. We're going to see what happens. So, like always guys, the best way to find out is to try it. So, let's go ahead and... So guys, another one done. I have to tell you, it was a bit complicated to get rid of the vinyl that I put beforehand. But listen, at first I was worried a bit because we didn't see the edge of my vinyl that I put on. But as the paint dries, then you can see the edge of the vinyl. So it was okay, but it was still kind of hard to get rid of it. But as you saw, I had to make some small touch up here and there, but still I think it's very nice. I think it's a technique that it's worth to develop and do something else with it. You can even take a picture of one of your children if you want, and you take the side of her face or his face and you print it on your printer. Then you cut it around and then you put it on the, that could be a nice project also. So anyway guys, like always, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're going to try it because it's quite easy. But like I said, next time I think we're gonna visit a new technique that it's kind of similar. We're gonna make a silhouette, but it's gonna be a little bit more work because we're gonna do it with a brush. So be sure if you print image that there's no that you don't infringe on copyright or things like that. So guys, on that note, hope you enjoy, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Bye.